If you're still paying a virtual assistant $5,000 a month to handle your inbox, schedule your meetings, and manage your content, this video is going to save you a lot of money. Because right now, in 2026, there are 5 AI tools that do everything a high-end VA does, faster 24/7, and for a fraction of the cost. Let's get into it. Welcome to Workflow AI, the channel where we cut through the noise and show you exactly how to use AI to run your business on autopilot. I'm going to walk you through 5 tools today. For each one, I'll tell you what a VA would charge to do that job, what the AI costs, and how to set it up in under 10 minutes. The average business owner spends 2.5 hours a day in their inbox. A VA to manage that costs around $801, $200 a month. Superhuman's AI triage feature reads every email, labels it by priority, drafts replies in your tone, and can even send follow-ups automatically. Setup takes about 15 minutes. You connect your Gmail or Outlook, set your preferences, and it learns your style within a week. Scheduling is one of the biggest time sinks in any business. Back and forth emails, double bookings, missed blocks for deep work. Reclaim AI connects to your calendar and automatically schedules meetings, protects focus time, and reschedules tasks around conflicts, all without you lifting a finger. It syncs with Google Calendar, Outlook, and Slack. You tell it your priorities and it handles the rest. If your VA is writing social posts, email newsletters, or blog content, this is the one that'll blow your mind. Copy.ai's workflow feature lets you build automated content pipelines. You give it a topic, it researches it, writes a LinkedIn post, an email, and a short-form video script, all in one run.